Sending traffic to your squeeze page. Okay, everyone, so now you have a killer squeeze page, an awesome lead magnet, but how do you reach people that could be interested in joining your mailing list? This isn't as easy as it sounds, because you could end up showing your squeeze page to people who will not find value in what you have to offer them, which means that they will not be encouraged to give you their email addresses. The best approach then is to use a combination of organic and paid strategies that will allow you to send the right type of traffic to your squeeze pages. Here are the ones that have worked wonders for us so far. Insert your squeeze pages into social media posts. This is perhaps the easiest and cheapest way to send traffic to your squeeze pages, as you will simply have to create keyword-rich social media posts where you can add your squeeze page for easy click-throughs. To give you an example, we are going to paste our squeeze page's URL into this Facebook post. Once it is inserted, we are going to insert a reformulation of our lead magnet's title in the form of a question to induce curiosity, and then we are going to post it. Now, this strategy is mostly effective when you have a significantly large social following, but you can also use niche keywords and tags in your post headlines to help your potential audience to find you through organic searches. Promote those social media posts to a hyper-targeted audience. Now, you can easily reach a very large chunk of your audience for cheap by promoting social media posts where you insert your squeeze pages. This strategy works really well because in the eyes of your audience, you are simply promoting free content to engage with. Facebook is a particularly good platform to promote your squeeze pages because it allows you to hyper-target your audience. You will simply have to click on the Boost Post button on your post and then to click on the Edit button corresponding to the people you choose through targeting option in the Audience section to choose who you will target with your promoted posts. Insert your squeeze pages into your site. Who is a more qualified audience than the people that are already visiting your site? Depending on your website setup, you will be able to program your squeeze page to appear to website visitors. In the case of WordPress sites such as ours, you will simply have to install a landing page plugin that can allow you to easily insert your sign-up forms, such as the Pop-Up Maker plugin and the MailChimp plugin. Create a display ad campaign. You can also use the AdWords Campaign Manager to create a display advertising campaign to promote your squeeze pages on similar niche sites and to people searching content using your niche keywords. So, with these strategies, we give a close to Section 2. But don't worry, because in Section 3, we will be teaching you how to nurture all the leads that you'll be getting from applying the strategies in this section. See you there!